My goodness, wait, I want to make it
Okay,
roll.
come on. Hurry. This thing's dying here.
Wait till you see, yummy. You ready? You ready? Oh.
Can we order appetizers?
Okay.
Small egg drop soup. You want a hot and sour?
Sour.
Small or large? Small, hot and sour. You want an egg roll too, right?
All right, you know what? Here's the thing. If he's starving, then he can't get enough food and fast enough.
Sour
So
soup.
this is going to be cold. Okay. So we're going to start with this. Okay.
For that spoon.
Okay. Look what's coming. Look what's coming. Look what's there. Look what's there. Yummy. So let him drink some of the milk, and then we'll give him this because I think
just ordered appetizer.
I think it's not a good idea to give this to him when he's starving because he doesn't know how to get enough of it down fast enough. Since he's not
That's right. That's why you gotta give milk.
that agile with the spoon in.
After you go together, you're gonna give me that present.
I am.
What present? Maybe it's going to be a dog.
You know what? I'm going to give you two.
Two presents. I'm gonna give you 5 presents. You ready?
I'm going to give you
One
two.
present,
That's the
2 presents.
That's the spoon.
Yeah, we got 5 spoons. Before you didn't have any. Now you got 5 spoons. You know what you can do with these spoons? Let me show you. You can go. Bing. Or you can
Your
go.
new box
Or
of
look like you
cereal.
can make a TP. So we make a TP. No, you can't make a TP.
What do you think?
Are you gonna give me this?
He's a very hungry boy. You and Leo, I just don't get it.
I show you.
So Jess, I think this is pretty much the right consistency. You know, like loose, but not too watery. Because you want him to get used to.
Okay, 6 there.
I know she never liked it.
Well, I know, but it's just formula with rice. It's not all that tasty. But what I would do is give this to him for a couple days, make sure he is okay with it, doesn't develop an allergy to it or anything. That's what it's all about. If he gets a rash all over his body or something, then you're going to know it's from the rice cereal. And then if he really doesn't love it, then mix it with something. So it's up to you if you want to start mixing it with a vegetable or if you want to mix it with a fruit. He'll like it if you mix it with bananas. He'll freeze it if you
Where's
mix
your
it with
tummy?
apples.
What about your tummy?
But if you want to mix it with something that's not sweet,
What, the
try
food?
avocado
I don't know. Maybe in
or one of the
health juice.
vegetables that's easy to
Could be right now. Egg drop right there. Thank you.
Hot and sour?
Hot and sour right there.
There you go. He's very aggressive. He doesn't know what to do with it.
And one for me also. You want some soup, Eddie?
Yummy.
Okay.
Is that yummy? Oh, I can't get it in fast enough.
Is he eating it?
I can't get it in fast enough.
Very young.
He's opening his mouth. This is the funniest thing.
He really likes it.
Is it so good?
Here, try this. See if you like it. Don't you want to try it?
It's so good.
Okay.
It's so good.
I don't know what you're
One more
missing.
time and then we're gonna get some more milk. Okay.
I don't think you know what you're
Milk
going to miss.
time. Okay, milk to wipe it down. I couldn't get it in fast enough.
Mama, he said he
He
was
went
like,
and then opened his mouth
he
again.
just want to give me the spoons out present.
You can have the spoons too, okay? You can have them too. You can share them with your brother. There's plenty of spoons. That was so funny.
These are the color.
You know, sometimes they make like that weird face when he eats this and they start spitting it out. But he couldn't
you like it?
get That was so funny. Oh my gosh. Do I know these people?
Mama,
Yes, honey.
you want mommy soup?
Oh, is that mommy's soup? I don't want soup.
Do you like soup? The soup is good like you. Try that.
Real people next to us. Okay, ready? Are you going to smile for the people? Oh, no. What's going on? Do we not? We like it. That might be too much, I guess. That's fine. That's weird.
Sure you don't want to try this? Sure you don't want to try this?
A little more?
Spicy.
He's opening his mouth.
She's one slice.
Oh, he doesn't quite know how to do it.
Around the corner. It's around the corner.
Okay. Yeah, you put it on your tongue and then you make it go
Very
down.
good.
It's so dear.
It's not very
Getting
good.
the hang of it. We're getting the hang of it. It's yummy. Okay.
Mama,
What, honey? I'm sorry. I'll be there in a minute. Okay,
soups
Mommy,
are
give
very
him
good.
Yesterday was his last day. Yeah.
You want some soup? No? What do you feel like eating? You want rice?
December 24th. I said, well, obviously.
Any more rice left?
Yeah, a little bit. I didn't know how much I gave him. I just put it in this bowl. I didn't measure or anything. I don't think you have to. Just give it
I don't
to him.
think so.
You think? Just give him enough to just get him used to it.
Make sure it's a loose consistency.
Yeah, this is pretty good. Actually, this is pretty good. It's pretty. But he's not going to choke on it.
Jessica, you move your hair.
Her hair,
It's in the face.
honey, she can't. There's nothing to do. Dressing the bottle. Those are very big bottles. You like them?
5 pounds. He's drinking 5, so I had the 4.
Yeah, this is
And
such
they,
a long
I
bottle.
know. They said I was trying to find like a 6 ounce one. They don't have it.
No, it's not.
Mommy, I just take a bath already.
You have to take a bath before you party. Oh,
But they took one of my straw.
oh, that's right. You took one. Did you get your hair washed? Did you use my shampoo? Did you?
Yeah, other shit.
My shampoo smells like vanilla. It's so delicious.
I put the
No, I do that black vanilla.
oh.
You want me to try again?
There's some more.
Ready? Yeah?
I believe I behave.
Yeah, that's delicious. Ah.
I don't think he wants any more.
Pretty loose. Uh-oh, gonna be a mess. Want to try some more?
No, just
Some
one
more?
more.
Want some more? Oh, I don't know if we do or not. I don't know. But this is pretty much the end.
Yeah, good.
Okay, some more milk. Why are we so crabby? What's going on?